Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is about some hair that is from a company that I really love. It's a company that I trust and I've worked with a bunch of times in the past. The hair quality is really good and it's super beginner friendly. It does come with pre-bleached knots, lightly pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked parting, which is dope. The hair that I have for you guys today is a 13x4 lace front wig in 180 density and 22 inches, and it is a curly unit. I really like this wig, you guys. The hair quality, of course, is good. That's why I continue to work with the brand, but I do like how this wig is pretty much just ready to go. A lot of the steps have been pre-done for you. Now, of course, you can go ahead and customize it some more to your own liking, which is what I obviously do every time. But it's nice to have some steps already done for you. As you can see, I'm just showing you that the hairline is somewhat pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. So the parting space does look good, you guys. It's definitely giving scalp. So the only thing that I wanted to do is take away some of that like perfectly rounded hairline look. I feel like that really is what sets a wig apart, is when you kind of take away that perfectly rounded look around the front of the hairline. So I definitely did that. And I also went ahead and plucked the parting space as well. That makes a big difference too, you guys. I'm sometimes super lazy and don't want to take these steps, but you can definitely see the difference when you do and when you don't. Now, because this is a curly wig, you really don't have to do much in terms of styling the wig. So a lot of times I will take the extra step with curly hair because you don't really have to style it. All you do is just like wet it, add some leave-in conditioner, and keep it moving. So I don't mind putting the extra effort into the hairline and the blending part of the process. So here you can see, at first I was using the tweezers, but guys, I just don't have the patience. I am so sorry. So I started just pulling some hairs out, using my rat tail comb to pull a couple of the pieces of the hairs apart and just rip them out of the lace. Now you definitely want to be careful doing this because you can easily rip a hole in your lace and ruin your wig. So I literally only just take like 2 strands, maybe 3 strands at the most, and pull them out. You don't want to pull a clump of hair out. First of all, you could bald your lace front, which is a huge problem, or you could rip your lace, which is just as big of a problem. So if you're not sure how to do it in this way, I would definitely suggest using the tweezer because it's a lot easier to take 1 strand at a time. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your scissors, trim your baby hairs down to about 1 inch. Sometimes I do less than 1 inch, you guys. But be careful because if you cut them too short, there's really no coming back from that. I went ahead and grabbed my Got To Be Glued in the yellow container. I added some of that onto the hairline, and then I sprayed it with my Paishu hairspray. If you guys are curious about grabbing these products, they are available on Amazon, and I do have links down below for you to go ahead and grab them. I will let you know that the hairspray is a little expensive, but it is my favorite that I've tried so far. And you guys, when it comes to hairsprays for laying down lace fronts, I have tried them all. And I definitely love that one. Another good thing about this wig is that once you do, customize the hairline, you're pretty much good to go. I just added, the gel and the hairspray, and it was good.
That's good.
So once you're pretty much happy with how everything is laying down, you can go ahead and start working on the baby hairs. For this step, I went ahead and used my Style Factor Edge Pomade. And I still use the original one. I know they came out with another version, but I still just use the original version. And then I also use a little edge brush to just go ahead and slick everything down. Now when I'm doing my edges, I tend to use the brush part first to kind of get the hairs where I want, and then I use the comb part to sort of like lay everything in place. Now you'll also see me using the edge control to kind of slick the rest of the hairline back, just to keep it smooth and going in the direction that I want it in. You can also use mousse, but sometimes I find that using mousse on this step wets the hairline and messes up all of my gel and hairspray that I worked so hard to lay down. I find that when I just use the edge control, I don't have to worry about wetting everything up and messing up my hairline. So you guys, now that I'm pretty much happy with that part, I'm going to go ahead and put my Ankara baby hair scarf on. I do make these by hand. You can order them off of my website, gleemade.com, if you would like one. I tie it around the front because now I'm going to start using my water bottle and my leave-in conditioner to go ahead and moisturize the hair and just get the curls nicely activated. And I don't want to wet up all the work that I've done with my baby hairs and my lace front. So you guys, now that I'm happy with kind of how the curls are popping, it's time for me to go ahead and blend the hairline. I just go ahead and grab the same powder that I use to contour my face with. I grab a powder brush and I go ahead and just blend it in to my hairline. I also use the scissors just to go ahead and trim my sideburns. You don't have to do sideburns, but I really love them. When I style my wigs, I style it just the way I do with my natural hair. And in my natural hair, I always style my sideburns and my baby hairs. So that's just me, you guys. You can definitely skip that step. So again, just add your powder all around your hairline and to your part. And that's pretty much the last step for blending. I really love this hair, you guys. This wig is really beautiful. I would definitely recommend it, especially with the warmer weather coming up. If you have travel plans or you just don't feel like doing a lot of flat ironing and curling hair, curly hair is always a great option when the summer months come. Let me know if I haven't answered any of your questions. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave me a comment. I'll be sure to get back with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you want to grab this wig, look in the comment section, look in the information box down below. I'll have a link to this hair as well as all the products that I used in this video. You guys, I am obsessed with this wig, if you cannot tell, so I would definitely recommend it. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Peace out.